Welcome to DINOKINDER.
Welcome to the zoo. Have you been to the zoo? We are going to learn zoo animals. Let's start with the snake, monkey, elephant, horse, iguana, kangaroo. One more time. Snake, monkey, elephant, horse, iguana, kangaroo. Now let's play a game. This animal likes to eat bananas. Is it the snake or the monkey? Yes, it's the monkey. The monkey likes to eat bananas. Now, which animal has a long nose? Is it the elephant or the horse? Yes, it's the elephant. The elephant has a long nose. Which animal runs very fast? Is it the horse or the iguana? Yes, it's the horse. The horse runs very fast. Which animal likes to hop? Is it the iguana or the kangaroo? Fantastic! It's the kangaroo. The kangaroo likes to hop. Don't forget our zoo animals. See you next time!